In today's world, combating climate change is a top priority. But what can businesses and individuals do to make a difference? Let's explain the role of voluntary carbon credits. Voluntary carbon credits are part of a market mechanism designed to offset carbon emissions. Organizations or individuals can purchase these credits to compensate for their own carbon footprint, directly funding projects that reduce or capture greenhouse gases. Each credit typically represents a ton of CO2 equivalent, such as CO2 or methane, saved or removed from the atmosphere. These credits support initiatives like reforestation, renewable energy, solar and wind, and engineered direct removals such as direct air capture, carbon capture, and storage. The goal is to achieve a balance where emissions are offset by equivalent reductions elsewhere, helping us move towards sustainability and net zero emissions. A high-quality carbon credit has 4 key characteristics. Additionality, meaning the project wouldn't happen without the credit. Permanence, ensuring the carbon reduction is long-lasting. Verifiability, providing third-party proof of the emission reduction. And transparency, allowing clear tracking of the credit's journey, stressing the need for rigorous standards and verification processes to ensure the integrity of carbon offset projects. Meeting sustainability goals means significantly reducing our carbon footprint, a vital step to combat climate change. Voluntary carbon credits are integral in this mission, bridging the gap between current emissions and sustainable practices. These credits play a crucial role in helping companies and individuals achieve their sustainability goals and move toward net zero emissions by balancing out the carbon they can't yet eliminate. Benefits of participating in voluntary carbon markets include enhancing corporate sustainability efforts, meeting stakeholder and investor expectations while contributing to global climate action goals. Bynamic Group is at the forefront of this movement. With years of expertise in carbon management, we help businesses find, assess, and invest in high-quality carbon credits. Our innovative strategies and deep industry knowledge ensure that each step your business takes is a step towards sustainability success. Partner with Bynamic Group and make a real impact. Bynamic Group. Dynamic minds. Bynamic solutions.